Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
The Tornado spell is one of Clash Royale's most versatile and powerful cards. For just 4 elixir, it pulls all ground and air troops into its center for 3 whole seconds. This unique mechanic makes it incredible for both defense and setting up devastating counter pushes. Learning how to master the Tornado can truly elevate your gameplay and give you a huge edge in battles. On defense, Tornado shines. A top strategy is using it to activate your King Tower against cards like Hog Rider or Goblin Barrel, gaining crucial tower support. Beyond that, it's brilliant for grouping up enemy pushes. Imagine pulling an entire horde of barbarians or skeletons together, ready for a well-placed fireball or executioner shot. This ability to consolidate troops makes it incredibly effective against wide pushes. Tornado isn't just for defense, it creates amazing offensive synergy too. Pair it with splash damage troops like the Executioner or Wizard, and watch them clear an entire push in seconds. It's incredibly satisfying. You can also use it to pull defending troops directly into your tower's range, or into the path of your offensive spells, like a well-timed poison or fireball. This combination can lead to incredibly swift and decisive victories. While powerful, Tornado isn't foolproof. A common mistake is playing it too early or on single, tanky troops without a proper counterattack planned. Remember, timing is everything. Wait for multiple troops or a crucial moment to pull a specific unit. Precise placement ensures you hit all your targets and avoid wasting its 4 elixir cost. Learning when not to use it is just as important as knowing when to deploy this versatile spell. For advanced players, Tornado becomes a predictive tool. Anticipate where your opponent will play their troops, then pull them into a killer combo. Experiment with different deck compositions that leverage Tornado's unique grouping ability. The best way to truly master this card is through consistent practice in various game modes, like ladder or challenges. With dedication, you'll soon be making game-winning Tornado plays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.